Hello everyone. Our podcast will be starting today at Wednesday. Now I did set in an update video. If you hear something in the background, that's just the construction thing. I'm gonna. Okay. Anyways, uh, like I was saying, um, I did a update video yesterday. I mean, like at Monday, saying that I would do I would do the podcast today or Monday or Tuesday. But I did the podcast at Tuesday. So today at Wednesday we will be doing the podcast. And I promised you we will be doing the podcast because we were preparing a lot of sets. Yes, setups. Like setups. We're preparing a lot of setups for the podcast and we're inviting some guests over to do the podcast with us. I mean with me, myself. And one of the guests will be my friends. Actually, no, both of the guests are my friends, and will be in the podcast. We'll just be talking about update videos, gaming stuff, and vlogging. Also, our hobbies and our life stuff, so you can know us more. You know. Also, I just recently saw the view count on my channel, which it already hits 3,000. Like it hits to 3,000, but not 3,001, just 3,000, which I'm kind of disappointed. But please, I'm gonna change my end goal to not like 6,000 but to 5,000, because I don't want my viewer revenue to like just decrease a lot. Also, thank you for 11 subscribers. Really, thank you a lot. That means a lot to me. And yeah, this update video was made because to remind you that we will be doing the podcast, and also remind you to watch the videos that you like on my channel. And yeah, also give feedback to me by typing down something at the YouTube comments. Sorry. Anyways, yeah. Now I'm going to do a lot of setups for the podcast right now. Also, the podcast will air at Wednesday, which is today, Wednesday, April 23rd, 23 of Wednesday, and the time will be around 12 o'clock. I think around 12 or 1 o'clock, and the podcast will end at around 3 o'clock, and that will be it. I think 3 or 2 o'clock. So yeah, we're just doing a 2 hour podcast. And if my camera doesn't can't handle the 2 hour thing, 2 hour podcast thing, then then we'll just split the podcast into some podcast pod, like part one podcast, part two podcast, for the 2 hour podcast. If you don't know what I mean, I'll just type it down in the comments. And yeah, bye.